Hi everyone, here is a quick video on how you will submit work order requests using your online account. Log in on your online Rentec Direct. Use your email as your username and password. If you do not have access on your online account yet, it's either we have the wrong email for you or we don't have your email at all. In that case, you just need to inform us by sending us an email at rentalsofoklahoma@gmail.com or send me a text or call at 405-400-9959. So moving forward, log in on your online account. Go to Repairs. Click on Report and Issue. So on the short description, just put a very brief description on what the service request is all about. Like that. And on the description, just indicate what's happening on why you need to submit a work order request. So example would be something like this. You can even upload pictures. If you want, you would just have to click on Report Issue. And then here is the option for you to upload a photo or a video if needed. Alright, that's it. Thank you.